Am I recording? I'm just as confused as you are. Am I starting my YouTube girl era? I don't know. Hi guys. Oh my god, this is so weird. Like, I don't know what was in me. Potentially the TikTok ban maybe like inspired me to do this a little bit, but for some reason within me I was like, yeah, I'm having this itch to start YouTube again, because I did it back in 2020 and I did it alongside my sister, and then we just quit after that because it was just really hard to keep up with it. I literally was like sitting down yesterday and watching the old videos that I had posted, like my cousin's bridal shower vlog and things like that, and I was like, look, like that's just so nice to be able to like go back and look at. We're gonna try it out, guys, okay? Y'all, my camera's about to die, so I might cut out in a second. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just doing my morning routine. If you want to see it, it's on TikTok. You can unbox maybe like my office supplies that I ordered, because I have been waiting to redecorate my office, and I will show you why. So I cannot find my battery for my camera right here. Either I have to order a new one, which it won't come until tomorrow, or we're just gonna have to use my phone for a while. I want to show you guys my purchase from Amazon for the office. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the first box. Guys, you have no idea. I have been waiting to fix the office because literally it just looks like a boy room right now because of my husband. Can you move over, PG? Thank you. We were needing this because let me show you my office situation in a second, but this is gonna look so much more cuter. Like, you have no idea, guys. I'm literally so excited. Is this a little mat to keep it on so it doesn't move? Guys. This is so like, this is gonna, oh, can you please, Kobe, hello baby. Imagine, while I'm working, I was waiting for this moment. Let me show you why I needed to change everything up. It looks like a gamer's room, which is fine. My husband does use this room a lot, but like, it literally looks too boy-y for me. So like, I need to girlify it a little bit. Still not fully how I would want it, but it definitely looks better. I have not checked in literally all day. I was feeling like crap. Literally thought I had tonsillitis, but we're good now. And you see that orange one right there? I want to get that orange one. Okay. It's not going well. I literally got my ball in. Guys, I started off so strong, but I ended up losing really bad, so it's okay. I literally played like 4 rounds of it, which it was so fun, but now I'm exhausted. It's like currently like 12:45. I just need to go to sleep. Like, literally, you guys, right before we went out today, I thought I was like, something was happening to me. I thought I had like tonsillitis or something, because like the right side of my throat was just like completely like in pain with any like certain movements, but I'm feeling a lot better now, so I think I'm good. I think I was just in the moment. He has a zoomies. Anyways, I think it was just like an in the moment kind of thing. But I'm feeling so much better. So I'm gonna go to sleep, but I will see you guys in the morning. Morning, Papa. Good morning, friends. It's currently like 11 o'clock. I woke up at 10, okay? I was like scrolling on TikTok because I'm like, you know, just in case, let me just scroll through it a little bit. So I was like in bed just scrolling, and now I like force myself to wake up because I have a yoga class to go to. I'm still recording on my phone. I have my camera charging, so we will get to that. Like, probably I'm gonna grab my camera before I leave for yoga. I'm really freaking nervous. I don't know why, but whatever. I just need to start the day so I can get ready and I can head out the door. I have been taking blooms now. My friend Nithya, she actually like put me on to this. I usually used to just make green juice, but I have had no time because I don't have a juicer. So I like strain everything after blending it. So it takes me around like an hour to make it. So I was like, this is just so much quicker. The strawberry kiwi flavor, it's not bad. I just wish I had more of like a tang to it, but it's on the sweeter side, but like not super sweet. I don't know. It's like, it's kind of strange. I thought it was gonna taste a little better, but like whatever. I mean, it really does help. 3 weeks now since I've started using this, and I do feel a difference, and I do see a difference in like my skin and my bloating, so highly recommend. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. If you have dry skin, you need to try the glazing milk. It's actually so good. I think today I'm just gonna use the Fenty skin tint. I want this to still remain like pretty light. I just get so scared with this packaging because it always like gets messy and all over my shirt, but you know, today was a lucky day. It's like not super full coverage, but just enough. It's gonna go in with the Luminous Silk Concealer just because it's a lot lighter coverage for my liking. See like extra acne scarring. I'm gonna go with my NARS Pot Concealer. I set with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder just because it's right on hand, and I'm just gonna set it with a brush so it's nothing crazy. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup by Mario Skin Perfector. Oh, just to give me a little bit of some color to the face. I was just thinking I'm going with the Rhode, by the way, this is the Pocket Blush in the shade Freckle, one of my favorite shades. But I was just thinking of keeping this as more of like a lifestyle, meaning like the vlogs, a little bit of like home stuff, some beauty, just a little mix of everything, because I feel like sometimes I don't want to watch vlogs and I want to watch more like curated videos for like makeup and all that, but like in longer form, so I come to YouTube for that. So I don't know, maybe I'll just do a mix. I like low-key almost forgot about my eyebrows. This is my favorite brow gel from Rare Beauty. Literally nothing compares. I even have tried to find things at the drugstore and I feel like none of them have the flexibility that this has. My NYX brow pen, this is my favorite stuff ever. Literally, this is my brow routine. I usually do it before makeup, but because I'm doing lighter makeup, I did my brows after, so it just balances everything out. This is such a good brow pen. I think I'm pretty sure this is like my 5th one. This is the Well People mascara that I'm going to be going in with. You can get it at Target. It's actually really good. I like it for like a more everyday look. I'm going to put on some lip liner. I'm gonna take my little Milk Makeup Jelly blush and blot in my lips. It's a little much, I know. A lip balm, the Sorbet Mini one from Dew of the Gods. I just want a lip balm. I don't want gloss, bro. I don't got time for that. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Lumi one from L'Oreal just because it looks is the most natural. Last touch, going in with any highlighter. I'm using the Makeup by Mario one, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corners just so I look more awake. Good morning. I mean, I already said good morning to you guys on my phone. So here's my fit for yoga. Wish me luck. I'm just gonna quickly eat a little bite before I go, or else I know for a fact I'm gonna wanna vomit. We just got done with breakfast at like almost 3 p.m, but it is what it is. I did yoga today. Don't ever doubt the yoga people, okay? Because the way I was shaking and sweating today was insane. It hurt so bad, but it felt so good, so I'm gonna be doing that more often. Can you believe I'm out here making coffee now? It's literally about to be 6 p.m. Today just feels weird because today TikTok is most likely gonna go away. I genuinely think it'll come back. I'll be posting here from time to time. Even if it does come back, I still will continue to post over here just because I feel like this just made me take a leap. By the way, how come this doesn't look right? This looks like milk in a cup. Something's off. No guys, I think genuinely that's just how it looks. Even though I've never had it look this light before. Maybe I put too much milk. It's not like I need a lot of caffeine right now. I mean, it's like almost 6 o'clock at night. I needed it a little bit because if I want to get like stuff done, like my head hurts without caffeine. But even like when Ramadan comes around, guys, I take a sip or two in the morning. I literally make a whole cup of coffee to just take a sip or two and then I'm good. Bilal requested a little hot latte right now, just so we can like get things done like I said earlier. I'm gonna give him this little heart mug. You know why? Because Valentine's Day is around the corner and we're getting into like, you know, swing of things. There is my Arafio pod. That's like literally my favorite single shot. Even though for some reason, I'm about to test it out again. Is it supposed to look that way? I don't know. Holy crap. That could have been so bad. Could you imagine if I press start and all the coffee just, what is this? This is Simba's, this is the reality of having cats. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's like currently Simba's hair just floating. Anyways, if all that coffee just poured out, I think I would have cried. I think I would have actually cried. It's probably my favorite part of making the latte, just like foaming the milk. Literally, I almost lost a piece for this machine that I'm about to show you. I almost was on the verge of tears. I really was. I love my Nespresso so much, you guys. Here's a little thing. Put it on here. It's so easy to use. I like to just put milk. I do a little bit of milk. I take French vanilla creamer because that's the one that he's liking right now. Put that in. And then for this one, you just hold it. And then there's a cold foam one. There's also a hot one, but I just do the cold foam. Guys, I just realized that was supposed to be hot and I frothed it cold. That's why I needed my coffee. Do you see why? Look how cute that is. It's a little heart, you guys. I can't do like latte art for the life of me, so I'm just gonna have to do. That's giving me trypophobia. I'm so sorry. I know, disgusting. I've been in the same clothes all day. It's one of those rot days, you guys, okay? Don't judge. Okay, time to do the dishes. watched The Lion King, and you guys, like, my makeup was all messed up because I was like just constantly rubbing my eyes. TikTok is officially banned as of today. I honestly think it's gonna come back Monday or Tuesday, so just a little break, reality check that I need to just focus on real life things too. So I want to get in bed, put on my mask, read my book, and then hit the stack. I'm just gonna come. Hello, the cleaning and the playing is done. Now I'm gonna go and get unready, and then I will continue on with my little bedtime routine. So 1, 2, 3. I just washed off my face. It feels so good. Jump scare. Skincare is officially done. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's called You Shouldn't Have Come Here. Guys, I am so into psychological thriller type of books. I don't know what it is. I love a good romance book, but like these type of thriller stories, they just get me going. Like that's what made me fall back in love with reading. So in a lot of the romance books that I've read, it's like you always kind of have an inkling what's gonna happen in the end. So this though, these types of books, you never know, man. Did I open up the back? It is so cold. Like bone chilling cold. Sat in my car and I swear to God, it's like my seats are ice. The door cracked open as if it was ice. And like tomorrow's supposed to be worse. This is Mango. This is Laddu. What are you doing, bro? They got this toy. Laddu. Just got home. It was so painful to be outside. But we brought back, if you didn't know, our families are obsessed with cats. So we brought back some those cat chewing ropes. Simba loves this. You like the cat chew ropes? Apparently, you guys, there's like catnip not in them. I was so confused why these were such a big deal and why people were like constantly promoting them on TikTok. Oh, by the way, oh yeah, I already talked about that, the band's gone. They apparently, there's like catnip in this bag, so it makes them smell like it, and you have to put them back into the bag so they always have that scent and that your cats kind of go crazy for it. But it's really good for their teeth. But I was like, cleaning their teeth? Yes, please. Because Simba especially, like he hates when we brush their teeth. Is that your favorite new toy? I'm so tired, so I'm literally gonna get ready for bed right now, but I love you guys so much. There are gonna definitely be more videos, so I hope you guys stay for those. This was so fun, actually, honestly. Like, regardless if I have my camera on me, I'll have my iPhone, whatever the case may be, but I will try my absolute hardest to upload at least once a week. That is my one goal for the New Year's. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from me on YouTube, and I hope to see you guys later. Bye.